Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be fixing my Masterbuilt electric smoker door that broke off. Let's do it! Alright, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to attempt to fix my door on the Masterbuilt electric smoker. What happened is that this piece goes welded at the bottom of the door. Right there, this is what allows it to rotate, to pivot. Well, this thing broke off of the actual door itself. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put some of these hinges on there to see if this will help with the fix. So I bought these hinges at Lowe's. And I tried to find hinges that were just the right size. You want it to be able to hit the middle of the door, which these do. Let me zoom in a little bit. You want it to be able to hit the middle of the door right here and still grab onto some of the door on the edge. So these seem to be a good size, and I'm going to see if this will help with the actual door, so it doesn't continue to fall on me. So the first thing you want to do is you want to drill some pilot holes. Alright, I made the markings. Now I can just now I'm going to switch my bit. And that's how you do it. Only time will tell if this fix or this type of a hack to try to fix it will work. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other three that I bought for the bottom. Let's see, let's give it a test drive. It seems to work. I mean, it just has to hold on to the door, doesn't have to do too much. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I have some other videos that show you how to do all sorts of smoking through this Masterbuilt electric smoker. But that was my attempt to try to fix my electric smoker door by putting in 4 hinges. One of the things I did have to do for this to work is I actually had to take the pivot from the one that goes up here. I actually took that off so that it could actually pivot the way it was supposed to, because these are going to be new ways of pivoting. So this had to be taken off. So if you do try this, if your door does fall down, one of the things you should do is take this off. We'll see if it works. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.